exercise 1.3. Today we'll complete last topic, that is expanding brackets and Roman numerals. So let's begin. So let us start with the first topic of today, expanding brackets. So this topic is there in your book, page number 24. A bar 7 into 109. Here what we have to do, we have to expand. How we will do? In junior classes you have done expanded form. If you have to do expanded form of 109, so it will be 100 plus 9. So let us write here 7 into 109 can be break as 100 plus 9. So now what you have to do, you will multiply first 7 into 100. पहले आप फर्स्ट नंबर को मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे फ्रॉम द आउटर नंबर. सो 7 into 100 plus, now you will multiply second number from the bracket, that is 7 into 9. 700s are 700 plus 7 9s are 63. So if you add, answer is 763. Isn't it easy? You just have to expand the number and multiply. B bar 102 into 103. Now we will expand both the numbers. So let us expand 102. It will be 100 plus 2 into 103 will be 100 plus 3. Same you will do like this. First you will multiply 100 by this number. So 100 plus 2. This full will be multiplied by 100 plus, now you will multiply 3 into this full 100 plus 2. Now third step will be multiply 100 into 100, 100 into 100 plus, now you will multiply 100 into 2, 100 into 2 plus 3 into 100, 3 into 100. Next number is 2, 3 into 2. Now we have to multiply, but keep in mind the operation, that is plus in middle. We have to add at last. So now 100 hundreds are 1. How many zeros are there? 4 zeros. That is 10,000. Plus 100 twos are 200. 100 threes are 300. Plus 6. So see, calculation became so easy. It will be 3 plus 2, 5. 506. 10,506. You just have to open the bracket, then multiply. At last what we have done? We have add. C bar 17 into 109. So let us expand these numbers. So 17 we will expand as 10 plus 7 into 109 will be expanded as 100 plus 9. So first let us multiply this whole term by 100. So right here 100 into 10 plus 7. Then plus 9. Now this 9 will be multiplied by 10 plus 7. So next step is open the brackets. So let us do directly 100 into 10, that is 1000 plus 100 into 7, 700 plus 9 into 10, 90 plus 9 sevens are 63. So let us add, it will be 1700 plus, add 90 plus 63, 153. So answer will be 1853. So I hope students expanding brackets is clear. Next topic, Roman numerals. So what are Roman numerals? Any of the symbols used in a system of numerical notation based on the ancient Roman system. They are based on the ancient Roman system. At home, you all must have seen two types of clocks which I have drawn on the board. So in the board you can see one clock is based on Hindu-Arabic numeral system where we write numeric values like 1, 2, 3, 4, and another clock where time is showing you according to Roman numerals. So there are few symbols used in Roman numerals. So let us look these symbols to screen. So here are the few letters used to write numbers. The letter I is equal to 1, V is equal to 5, X is equal to 10, L is equal to 50, C is equal to 100, D is equal to 500, and M is equal to 1000. So these are the symbols used for Roman numerals. We need to remember 3 rules while writing the Roman numerals. Number 1, rule of repetition. Number 2, rule of addition. And number 3, rule of subtraction. So now let us learn each rule one by one. Rule 1, rule of repetition. Number 1, when a symbol is repeated twice or thrice, its value is multiplied by 2 or 3. Example, M is equal to 1000. Mm is equal to 1000 multiplied by 2, that is equal to 2000. Mm is equal to 1000 multiplied by 3 is equal to 3000. Number 2, symbol I, X, C and M can be repeated 3 times at maximum. We can write 1 as I, 2 as I, 3 as I in Roman system. But we cannot write 4 as I in Roman system. Number 3, symbols V, L and D are never repeated. That is, symbols for 5, 50 and 500 cannot be repeated. This means we do not write 10 as VV, but we write it as X. So now let us look at second rule. Rule 2. If a symbol of smaller value is written to the right of a symbol of higher value, we add the smaller value to the greater value. So let us consider one example. So here I have written XI. So X has a value of 10 and I has a value of 1. So the Hindu-Arabic number for this Roman number is XI is equal to 10 plus 1, that is equal to 11. So here if you see, the smaller value is written to the right of a higher value. So we add the smaller value to the greater value. So 10 plus 1, 11. So finally we had third rule now. Rule 3, rule of subtraction. Number 1, if a symbol of smaller value is to the left of a symbol of higher value, we subtract the smaller value from the higher value. Example, let us take the number XC. So X has a value of 10 and C has a value of 100. So XC will be written as 100 minus 10, that is equal to 90. So here smaller value is to the left of a symbol. So we subtract smaller value from the higher value. Number 2, the symbols V, L and D cannot be subtracted from any number. Example, 95 cannot be written as 100 minus 5. You cannot write 90 as VC. It is wrong. 95 should be written as 90 plus 5. 90 we write as XC and 5 we write as V. So answer is XCV. Third point, I, X and C are used to subtract. So students, there are just 6 combinations which you have to keep in your mind. First, IV, that is equal to 5 minus 1, that is 4. IX, that is equal to 10 minus 1 equal to 9. XL, that is equal to 50 minus 10, that is 40. XC, that is equal to 100 minus 10, that is 90. Then CD, that is equal to 500 minus 100, that is equal to 400. Next CM, that is equal to 1000 minus 100, that is 900. Now, if larger Roman numerals are given, so how do we read and write? So now look at example 1. What is M, C, M, X, 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 I equal to? So students, keeping in mind rule explained earlier, we first write this number into thousand, hundred, tens and ones. How we will write? In thousands, M plus CM plus XXX plus 1. In order to solve it further, now let us write the values. So the value of M is 1000. CM is equal to 1000 minus 100, that is 900. XXX is equal to 10 plus 10 plus 10, that is equal to 30. I is equal to 1. So on adding, we get the answer 1000 plus 900 plus 30 plus 1, that is equal to 1931. As you all have learned the symbols, so on the basis of that, let us do some questions. Question number 1. Write each of the following Roman numerals in Hindu-Arabic numerals. A bar, L-I-V. L represents 50. Step by step we will do and we will add. L represents 50. Then I-V, this represents 4. 50 plus 4, that is 54. So LIV is 54. Now B bar, X represents 10. Then V, 2, it represents 7. 10 plus 7, 17. Then C represents 100. X represents 10. And V, 3 times I represents 8. So answer is 118. D represents 500 plus L represents 50 plus 3 times X represents 30 plus VI represents 6. So let us add here 550 plus 36, that is 586. Now E bar, M represents 1000. So right here 1000 plus D represents 500 plus L represents 50 plus 1. So that is 1500 plus 51. So answer is 1551. So I hope students now we are able to write in Hindu-Arabic numerals when Roman numerals are given. Question number 2. Write the Roman numerals for each of the following numbers. So here numbers are written and we have to write the Roman numerals. A bar 73. Students, the easiest way I am telling you, just break the number and write the expanded form first. So 73, expanded form will be 70 plus 3. So 70, how we write in Roman numeral? L, 50, 60, 70 and 3, 1, 2, 3. Then 92, 90 plus 2. So how we write 90? X, C, 2, 1, 2. Then C bar 269. Right here 260 and 9. How we write 200? C, C. Then 60, L, X. 9, I, X. Then D bar 598. So how we write 500 in Roman number? D. Then 90, X, C. Then 8, V, 1, 2, 3, 8. Then 954. 954. So how we write 900? C, N. Then 50, L, 4, I, V. So this we have written in Roman numerals. Students, that's all for today's class. I hope you all understood Gulin ma'am's class. So today we have completed chapter number 1, knowing our numbers. So practice all these questions at home. If you missed any part, you can check the description box. All the links are there. Now in next class, we'll start with chapter number 2, whole numbers. So stay connected, do like, share and subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye-bye.